In this video, we'll dive into Dale Carnegie's proven strategies for influencing people effectively. You're about to discover practical techniques to build rapport, communicate persuasively, and inspire others to embrace your ideas. Picture this. You're giving a presentation, and it feels like you're talking to a brick wall. Meanwhile, your colleague seems to effortlessly captivate the entire room. What's their secret? The answer lies in mastering the art of influence. Ready to unlock these game-changing communication skills? Let's jump right in. 1. Build rapport. Start with a friendly greeting or thought-provoking question. Show genuine appreciation for their time and expertise. Find common ground and highlight shared interests. Practice active listening with eye contact and thoughtful questions. Imagine walking into a meeting and saying, "Before we start, I'd love to hear about the challenges you're facing in your role." Watch how this simple question instantly creates a connection. 2. Embrace different perspectives. Step into their shoes to understand their motivations. Welcome respectful disagreements for richer conversations. Listen to understand, not to win. Acknowledge their feelings even when you disagree. Here's a powerful phrase to use. "I see this differently, but I'm really interested in understanding your perspective. Can you walk me through your thinking?" 3. Ask engaging questions. Use open-ended questions to spark deeper discussions. Plant seeds of ideas collaboratively. Seek input and give credit for contributions. Try this. Instead of asking, "Do you like this proposal?" ask, "What aspects of this proposal do you find most compelling, and where do you see room for improvement?" 4. Present ideas effectively. Use visuals like charts or graphs to illustrate points. Tell relatable stories to connect with your audience. Employ analogies to simplify complex concepts. End with a clear call to action. Pro tip: next time you're explaining a complex idea, try using an analogy. For instance, our project timeline is like a relay race. Each team member needs to pass the baton smoothly for us to win. 5. Reinforce positively. Be honest and accountable if you make mistakes. Guide conversations with positive language. Appeal to their core values. Show respect and trust in their judgment. Remember, a simple "I trust your judgment on this" can go a long way in building a strong, influential relationship. By mastering these communication skills, you'll transform from merely speaking to genuinely connecting and influencing. The key to effective influence isn't manipulation. It's about understanding others and presenting ideas in a way that truly resonates with them. Now it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Which of these influence techniques do you find most challenging? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you want to keep leveling up your communication skills, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.